Hello children, now we will start the next part of your EVS lesson. Now look here. Shivram Hari Rajguru was an important revolutionary in India's struggle for freedom. He was one of the three famous revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Rajguru was born in Khed in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. There, at the Hanuman Vyayamshala, he took up the cause of patriotism. At 15 years of age, he went to Banaras to study Sanskrit. He knew several languages such as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu and English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were his close friends. Later, he took part in revolutionary activities and became a martyr for the country. In this memory, Khed, the birthplace, has been renamed as Rajguru Nagar. तुम्हाला हे भगत सिंग, राजगुरू आणि सुखदेव हे तिघजण फ्रेंड्स होते आणि हे राजगुरूंच्या संदर्भातलं आत्ता मी वाचलेलं. त्यांचं ते खेडमध्ये जन्मलेत आणि तिथे त्यांनी मग त्यामुळे त्यांच्या गावाला खेडला राजगुरुनगर म्हणून आता ओळखतात. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे 18th April is World Heritage Day. On this day, pay a visit to Fort National Monument. Learn about its importance. Collect information about the rules of protecting World Heritage Sites. तुम्ही इथे पन्हाळ्याला वगैरे सुद्धा जाऊन येऊ शकता. ऑब्टेन पिक्चर्स ऑफ हिस्टॉरिकल बिल्डिंग्स, मॉन्युमेंट्स अँड ओल्ड वाडाज in your surrounding, that is palace and Shalini Palace, like this, or museums. You can collect the pictures. Just as a place become renowned because of forts or historical buildings, it also gains renown because of its people and their good deeds. Collect information about the soldiers, writers, artists, etc. in your neighborhood. Invite them to your school and interview them. These things we have to do at home. You can't do it at school, but in next semester we can arrange such a things. Sant Gadge Maharaj. Maharaj's real name was Debuji Zingarji Zanorkar. He belonged to Shegaon, that is, in Daryapur Taluka of Amravati district. Sant Gadge Baba raised social awareness through kirtanas. During his kirtanas, he would ask people questions and answers them himself. Why are our people poor? Because they do not have education. He appealed to the people to get educated. He is known as one of the great saints of the 20th century. His village will forever be remembered for his work in the service of people. Now this is visit to market, and which are the means of transport: bullock cart, truck, buses, like this. People in villages are dependent on weekly markets for their daily needs. These markets sell all essential items, mainly food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. become available here. The market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. People belonging to various castes and communities attend the fairs of folk deities of masses in Maharashtra with reverence. Many things related to people's living, such as different types of markets, are also a part of these fairs. Jejuri in Pune district and Madhi in Ahmednagar district are places of pilgrimage. They are also well known for their donkey markets. At Malegaon, another place of pilgrimage in Nanded district, is a market is held for donkeys and horses. Place come to be known for reasons such as these.